Art Faces, it's me, BevB. Today I have a unboxing of Mindfulness Diamond Painting. And if you recall, I unboxed my other Mindfulness Diamond Painting and was very unhappy with it because there was rivers, or like, I don't know if you'd call them rivers, but puckers in the canvas. The canvas was really pixelated and it just made me really unhappy. If you're new here, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos about diamond painting on an almost daily basis. I actually opened it just to make sure that it was what I thought it was, but I didn't pull the entire canvas out. Let's open it. So if you recall, my past one did not, or the first canvas I got from them did not come in a box. It actually just came in like a padded envelope, and I was really sad about that, which is probably why I got puckers in the first place. I emailed them, told them I was unhappy with the canvas, and sent them my video and screenshots of like the puckering and everything, and they said they were so sorry, that they would refund and they would replace the kit for me. So that was really nice of them. The one thing I can say is that they emailed me, told me about the refund and everything, and I emailed them back saying thank you so much, I'll be waiting for the canvas and the refund. And I didn't hear from them for a week, so I emailed them to follow up, and then 3 days later, after a week, I emailed them. Then 3 days later, they emailed me saying, oh, sorry, we took last week off. But it was like, you could have just responded to my email while you were on your week off. I mean, running a small business, I totally understand needing to take a break, needing to decompress or whatever it is, because I run a small business as well. But just the fact that they didn't have like a out of office type email return thing. I guess they announced it on Facebook, but I don't follow them on Facebook, so I had no idea they had a week off. I was just like, what the hell? They're not emailing me back about my they're not emailing me my refund. Like, I haven't gotten it yet. It's been a week. How long is it supposed to take? So I was sitting there wondering if I was going to get my refund, but had I known they had taken the week off, it would have been fine. But whatever. So that's that. And this is the replacement canvas. As you can see, it's quite dinged up from the mail. I honestly don't know how to feel about it. I haven't like pulled it out yet, but just from this box being dinged up and just the past canvas, which I have here so we can compare the two, I'm not looking like I'm not super, I don't know, I'm not expecting anything there. That's better. Editing Beverly here. One of the reasons why I didn't have expectations or high expectations for this package was on Facebook, I came across this post. This girl said that she ordered Sarah Richter's Davy Jones Locker diamond painting kit, and this is how it arrived. And here's some more photos, and she actually got half of the diamond painting, so she didn't get the full image. She basically got the tail and the tail end of the diamond painting. So that's why I didn't have high expectations. She actually commented on my YouTube video, and then I asked if I could include her pictures in a follow-up. I haven't talked to her though. I've tried to get in touch with her to see if she's contacted Mindfulness, what they said and stuff. This is why I did not have expectations for this package. And look at my cat. Literally. Okay, so if there's cat hair on the floor, you know why. So this is the bat with the moon by Sarah Richter, and it measures 40 by 55. Here are the drills. The drills are packed a lot nicer. It's in a more compact bag. And here is a bigger picture so you know which one I'm talking about, and you can watch my previous unboxing in the description below. But okay, so the drills come in these bags where there's kind of a billion of them, which is fine. And you have an inventory sheet. We'll look at that after. Main thing I'm thinking about is the canvas. Okay, so this is the canvas. Okay, I don't know how I feel. It looks pixelated. It still looks the same. Like, it still looks pixelated. And like, I know this wasn't hand charted or anything, but it still looks really pixelated. difference is it has their URL at the bottom. Did the other one have? Okay, let me pull out my old canvas. My old canvas I put in a Home Fun box because Home Fun actually sends things in a box. So I use the Home Fun box. I did part of my canvas already, the old one. It's really weird. Okay, so this is weird. Look at the difference in color. Let me just put this down more, but look at the difference in color. This is purple, this is blue. Are the symbols the same? So the symbols are entirely different. So is this recharted? I don't know. So this is how the other one turned out for what I did. It's okay. Like it's not super nice, but it's not like the quality you would expect to be getting for the amount you pay for this canvas. So there's like a gray outline around here, and like I don't know. I'm not happy with how it turned out. You can't even tell that these are supposed to be pearls. And it's like definitely a canvas where you have to step back and look at it, but this is so weird though because the colors are completely different. So what we're gonna do is I'll take you on a little tour of the new canvas and you can tell me your thoughts. We'll look at the drill field, see how clear it is. The drill field is pretty clear. So some of the symbols are kind of blurry. Like this one, is that a 4 or an A? Is there an A in this canvas? We'll look at the schematic. Schematic is down in the bottom left, down in the top right. So there's 40 colors. The previous diamond painting also had 40 colors. And on the previous diamond painting, the schematic was only on the right-hand side, whereas this one, it has the top right and on the bottom left. So there is an improvement on the canvas. Okay, so these are supposed to be equal signs, hashtags, pound signs. These are supposed to be pound signs, but they look like equal signs. 939. Is there an equal sign? No. So it's supposed to be this, which is a hashtag. Don't mind my nail polish. And then if you look up close, you don't actually see a hashtag, you see an equal sign. So that's disappointing. I'm going to take out the drills and we'll see. So this is supposed to be 939. 939. Is it the same? Okay, so are the colors the same? 153, 15. Yeah, okay, so I thought it was just me. I was like, am I seeing things or are the colors different? The colors are different. So A is the 9th color is A, and the 9th color here is A, but the DMC is 317, and the DMC for this one's 169. But then there is 317 on here, but it's symbol F. 341. So this one, the old one, has colors that the new one doesn't have. 819. Like on the old one, there's 819. On the new one, there's no 819. So there's definitely going to be a difference in color. I don't even know what to look at to see if these are the same or not. I feel like this one's going to be more purpley. and blue, purpley. It looks like it's going to be more purpley, but who knows. So this is 939, this is 939. If we go up here, which is here, I wish that I could just take this and overlay it and then you could see through it like it's transparent. It's so weird. So the top is a bit different. If we look at this way, it does look a bit different, like it's charted differently. So if you look up here, there's like a row of this color. Is it different? Yeah, it is charted differently. So there's definite differences between the old canvas and the new one. Like it looks like it's, the symbols are different and it looks like it's charted a bit differently. So it could be a positive thing. Like this one could be, like once I drill it, it won't be as blurry. But again, we won't know until I put drills down. On the new kit, there's not as much confetti. So here by the bat's head, if we look at this section, it's all just W. But if we look on the old kit, there's D's, 3's, like it's more confetti. Weird. Okay, so I don't know. I am not going to really complain before I put drills down on this one because it's charted, like there's difference in the charting and stuff. So it could technically be a lot better than the previous kit, but we won't know until I put drills down. So I'm not going to judge it. Yes, I'm not going to judge it. I'm going to put drills down and then I'll make another video with a follow-up showing you guys what the difference is. I don't know when that will happen, but it will. We can look at the old schematic on the left, new schematic on the right. So there are some that are the same symbols and the same colors, but there's different quantities of them. So this one, for number 1, there's 29 of 153, and the old one there's 105. So there's definite changes in the colors. I don't know. All I can say is if this video is confusing to you, it is also confusing to me. I honestly, I don't know how to feel. I mean, I'm really glad they did refund me. Like when I did hear from them, he did refund me. This one still looks like kind of a gong show though. Like it still looks like it's going to be pixelated. I know there's a reflection, but it still looks like it's going to be pixelated. I don't know how to feel, guys. What do you think? What do you think about the difference between these two? What do you guys think about these two? I honestly don't know how to feel right now. I think this one may turn out better, like the new one may turn out better than the old one, but again, we won't see until I put drills down. The canvases are different, like there's difference in charting and everything. There's difference in color of the drills, there's different symbols. So this is a brand new canvas, like it's a newer version of this one, but I don't know. I'm kind of looking forward to seeing how this one turns out. I have the faith. Let's have faith that this one will turn out nicely, okay? If not, I will cry and then be sad and disappointed and you will hear about it. So that's my new kit from Mindfulness Diamond Painting. That's the replacement kit. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Would you be happy with this as a replacement or would you expect something different? I think it's just me being used to like the quality of Diamond Art Club, the quality of Craftably, that like the premium quality. And I think this was close to $40 or $50. I can't remember. I'll put the price in right here. So just definitely kind of a letdown for the amount I paid. And it's a letdown too for Sarah Richter's artwork, but Sarah Richter is actually going to be licensed by Diamond Art Club. So that's amazing. Maybe they'll come out with this canvas and then I can get this canvas from Diamond Art Club and we can do a comparison. That's all I have for today. I really don't know what to say. Let me know your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you're new here and you like diamond painting videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I review, unbox, whatever diamond paintings on a regular basis, and I'll see you guys next time. I already said that. Bye!